Create this amazing progress bar using Checkbox. You can easily monitor your project progress by this easy trick. Come and join to learn this simple Excel trick. To start, select the first cell, then go to Developer tab and select Insert Checkbox. Place the checkbox on the first cell, then delete its text. Right-click the checkbox and select Format Control on Cell Link. Select cell B4. Then copy the checkbox on all the cell range. Repeat the steps on all the cells. Try if checkbox link is working. Now add a formula on the progress bar using COUNTIF function. Then copy down the formula. Check the checkbox and the count value will show. Then remove the text by selecting all the cells. Right-click and select Format Cells. Select Custom and type this. Select the progress bar cell, then go to Conditional Formatting and select Data Bars. We have now created this amazing progress bar using Checkbox. Clean the data by turning off the grid view. Like, share, and follow for more Excel tricks.